Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today is how to remote open your windows on your Audi A1 Sportback and then remote close them as well. Now if you're walking back to your Audi A1 on a baking hot day, the inside of the car will be roasting hot. So it's a good idea to get all those windows open before you actually enter the car. Take your Audi key fob and instead of pressing the unlock button once, hold the button down. That unlocks it and starts opening all the windows. That's starting to let some of the intense heat out of the car before you get inside. There's a link above now about the battery location and how to test the battery on this Audi A1 Sportback. Then it's a good idea to get the air conditioning on but leave the windows open for a few minutes and then put those windows up and maybe use the recirculate button to keep the cold air inside the car. Then when you exit the Audi A1, when you lock it, hold the lock button down, keep it pressed. That locks the Audi A1 Sportback and closes all the windows. And it's never too hot to have a lovely cup of tea. In the top left hand corner there's a link on how to reset the tyre pressure light on this Audi A1 Sportback. And in the top right, how to turn off the passenger airbag, which is a good idea if you're carrying children or babies. And in the bottom left, the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses. Safe driving to you.